Imagine this. You've just cleaned your home, the furniture looks polished, the floor is shining, but within just a few hours, there's already a thin layer of dust sitting on every surface. It feels endless. Like no matter how much effort you put in, dust always finds a way back. The silent problem of dust. Dust isn't just dirt. It's a mix of skin cells, fabric fibers, pollen, pet dander, and even microscopic debris from outside. The scary part? Most of it is invisible, yet it affects your health, your furniture, and even the air you breathe. If you or someone in your family struggles with allergies, dust is often the main culprit. Secret 1. Control the entry points. Dust's first mission is to get inside your home. Every time you open a window, every time you walk in with shoes, dust sneaks in. The first simple secret? Doormats and shoe removal. Place a doormat outside and inside every entrance, and make it a rule. No outdoor shoes on indoor floors. You'll be shocked how much dust you stop right at the door. Secret 2. Choose the right fabrics. Did you know that curtains, rugs, and even bed sheets are dust magnets? Fabrics trap particles and release them every time you walk past or sit down. The fix? Wash bedding and pillowcases weekly in hot water. Use washable curtains or blinds instead of heavy drapes. And when possible, go for minimal rugs or vacuum them regularly with a HEPA filter vacuum. This single habit will cut down more dust than hours of wiping surfaces. Secret 3. The power of air filters. Air is the biggest transporter of dust. That's why air purifiers with HEPA filters can make such a huge difference. They trap microscopic dust, pollen, and dander before it ever settles on your furniture. Even running your ceiling fan the wrong way can stir up dust. Secret 4. The magic of microfiber. Here's a mistake most people make, using feather dusters or dry cloths. All they do is push dust around and make it fly into the air. The secret weapon? Microfiber cloths. They're specially designed to grab and hold onto dust instead of spreading it. Secret 5. Don't forget the hidden zones. Dust doesn't just sit where you can see it. It hides under furniture, behind appliances, and on ceiling fans. That's why even if your visible surfaces look clean, the air still feels dusty. Schedule a monthly deep clean where you move furniture slightly, wipe fan blades, and vacuum under the couch. These hidden zones are like dust factories, and once you control them, your home will feel noticeably fresher. Secret 6. Groom your pets the smart way. If you have pets, you already know, fur and dander are huge dust contributors. But here's the trick. Don't just clean the home, clean your pets too. Brush them regularly outside, bathe them as needed, and wash their bedding weekly. The less loose fur and dander they carry, the less dust you'll fight inside. Secret 7. Simple weekly routine. Here's the most powerful secret of all. Consistency. Dust can't be completely eliminated, but if you create a weekly 30-minute routine, it never gets out of control. Quick vacuum of main living areas. Wipe surfaces with microfiber. Wash bedding. Clean high-dust areas like shelves or fan. By breaking it into small, regular steps, you'll always stay ahead of the dust instead of feeling buried under it. At first, living in a dust-free home may sound impossible, like chasing something that never ends. But once you know these 8 secrets, you realize dust isn't unbeatable. It's manageable. By controlling how it enters, cleaning the right way, and maintaining small habits, your home can stay shiny, fresh, and most importantly, healthy. Imagine walking into your living room, and instead of seeing dust on the coffee table, you see a spotless, glowing space. Imagine breathing in air that feels light and clean, not heavy with allergens. That's not just a cleaner home, it's a calmer, happier life. So, which of these dust control secrets are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more powerful hacks that make your daily life easier. And don't forget to click the link below to get your 100% free top 10 cleaning products list and emergency speed cleaning checklist. As a bonus, you'll also get access to our free community.